Well, hey YouTube, it's Petey Two Finger, and in the last video, was playing Valheim. I was going to do a base tour. I'm not a big gamer guy, but I've been playing a lot of Valheim. I don't do really gaming content on this channel, but I've been telling my loved ones, like we had a family party today, and I was telling them, oh, all I've been doing is playing this Valheim, this Swedish Viking survival game. And my family is Swedish, so none of them are really gamers. I mean, there's a few people on the fringes, younger people and stuff that game. So I'm making these videos, and I just wanted to show off my base because it represents a considerable amount of work. The base took me, I want to say, about 4 hours to build, and I did a video about an hour ago showing my work off, and at the end of it was about 18 minutes. I added it down to 10. At the end of that video, 2 trolls appeared during my base walkthrough, during my open house, and wreaked havoc. And I had to fight those trolls. They were destroying bits and pieces of my base, the front end of it. And I made a comment, I'm going to be up till 3 in the morning repairing this base. Now, it's 10:42 right now, okay? And we're going to see exactly how long it takes Petey to repair the base. Now, in game, this event just occurred. So we're here, pretty much Johnny on the spot. And let's see. Okay, that one was a little tricky. And here we got to do a rock fill, which means you have to have rocks in your inventory and a workbench nearby. But it looks like we're okay. Now this, I would really like to not have such a steep incline. This work had already been done. Missing requirement, yeah, we're missing the rocks. I'm going to take my... I got a little overzealous. Now, for one, there's no lighting here. So we should ideally set up a couple of torches so we can see what we're doing. Exactly. There's a torch. Torch. And let's go grab some rocks. It was like we didn't have any rocks in our inventory. Well, let's come on upstairs and take a look and rock and roll. Now, my weight limit, we're rapidly approaching. I'm not going to need that much rocks. Take a little bit of wood. So 10:44, we're 2 minutes in, and I'm completely oh, it's one. Beavis and Butthead crew are back. The Fuelings, as we say in Sweden. F8. Get that ground down. Ooh, something's breaking. That's the sound of something breaking. And I am out of room in my inventory. That's what that means. We will use up quite a bit of rock when we are putting in the stones. These rocks, this rock flooring. Oh, that's already there. We need this one here. 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 Yeah, this needs to be dug out a little bit. They tend to pop in place a little quicker when you're prepared. And again, all this cosmetic work that I'm doing here is extra credit. A little bit. What's that doing here? Oh my goodness. Okay, now we got to get back to the actual repair. We got one door existing. Yeah, we got a door here. So the wall would probably start here. And half pieces. And I wonder how. Got some people honking the horn that live here. The people that do that, they are unable to communicate in any other way than honking their horn. No comment. No further comment. And boy, what an exciting way to spend the evening, huh? Watching petey repair his war-torn base. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. This was window here, too. Okay. So it is not 3 in the morning just yet. It is 12:48. Are you all still with me, or did I lose you guys? With how exciting this Valheim base repair video. This is a new genre of YouTube Valheim video game videos called Valheim base repair. Let's see what we got here. One of these probably. Or is it making more sense like this? What's going on out here? Can we jump through the window? No, we can't. Yeah, I don't know. I'm almost going to say that we just box that up there. Yeah, I shouldn't have said 3 in the morning. I'm going to have to go to a camp, the fueling camp. And I'm going to be doing a raid, which is really kind of boring because I've got the mod installed. I'm cheating so hard. And oh, look at this. They damaged the roof. Oh, 3 in the morning. Here we come. Yeah, I'm planning to do a fueling camp raid, which I've been kind of doing those. Let's go over here and see if we can make a black metal sword. Is that at the bottom? Black metal sword. Oh. Okay, and we already are too short on the first upgrade. Let's try that black metal sword out. I've got this porcupine, and they say that porcupine is like the best weapon in the game. Like there's a list of like the final things that you're going to want to have equip yourself with. When you fight the main bad guy. And I'm going to have to get up. Yeah, okay. So I really don't know. You know, I haven't built these weapons yet. I know that anything with the black metal is challenging to build in the first place because... Oh, geez. What's that sound? Shit breaking. And that's the sound of this whole roof. Is it breaking and falling and me dying? Oh, now I'm blocked? Okay. I was able to pull that off. What's supposed to go up there? Nothing? Oh, well. It looks okay. I mean, there's... I don't think... this is supposed to go there. And this should be just panels, I think. But hey, other than the color match is not happening, and that, I mean, I never finished it, is the thing. Let's since I got you here, and we're not doing the raid on the fueling camp, just not just yet. How about some roofing work in Valheim? Yeah, this is how you play this game. Usually you'll be usually you'll be trying to do what I'm doing right now, and you'll be being attacked by something that's making repetitive sound effects. Okay, now we're gonna need... They're fitting to get their freak on upstairs, huh? Okay. More roof work with petey. Or this video. Oh boy. Something's not right with this. Something. This one isn't... Oh! Oh boy. Send it back. It's got a bug. Okay. We got that. We got... I need two more of those smokestacks up there to make it look like Pink Floyd Animals, though. That's what the mission really is here. What we're really on our way to do is put in two more Battersea power station dehelios over here. We got to put those over here. So now this, we can clearly see something is majorly jacked up in here. This is not gonna fly. So yeah, this is the new one, roofing with petey, and we want to make sure that we have our proper safety gear when we're roofing with petey. I prefer the 26-degree angle roofing. The other one is this, like, whoa, it's kind of just much. Now, here we go, Battersea. Now, let's grab some of these large poles. And... Alright, how am I going to get that one up there? We might have to... Yeah. There you go. And these are... this is venting. I have those I have those hanging lamps in my base, and without this, my whole base would fill up with those fumes, and the flames would eventually go out, and it would be bad for my health as well. So you tend to build little, whatever keeps the fire burning, as it may be. Oh no, what the heck happened? It fell? Get the heck out of here. This is my Battersea Power Station. Oh, it's red. They're not going to let... It's going to fall. Yeah, see? I was telling you in the other video, and I don't know why, other than I'm a fucking asshole and I did it all wrong. You know? But I have no idea why the game... let's try this. Yeah, everything's just red up here, huh? How come this is working? Oh, you can only do one, I suppose. Big man, pig man, ha ha, should ride you are. Check that out. Which one's pink? Well, we got a. Sometimes I like to use the same thing. Sometimes I hit the wrong button. Oh, and a quick tip for you Valheimers out there. If all of a sudden your middle click button to destroy, or remove I should say, ceases to function, you need to go into the settings menu and delete the hyphen on the middle mouse button control input designator. Delete the hyphen. You heard it here, Valheimers. Petey with your top 10 Valheim tips. Number 1, don't play Valheim. Number 2, if you see a Swede, run. Number 3, what kind of sick, deranged Swede came up with this game? And why has he not... Oh, I got my... oh, those sound effects, too. I've got my Mark of the Beast sword going. My black metal sword. Now, why was it not letting me... Do I have to go and put a get rid of another hyphen in the settings? Valheim also a operational... They're just testing your... All the information goes back to your file when you play Valheim. Okay, so yeah, we gotta bring this down a little bit. I don't want to get carried away with that. And I have a mod which actually it has to do with when you're attacking or mousing. This mod, when you hold your mouse button, your axe or your weapon, whatever it will automatically repeat for you. Because when the Swedes that designed this game thought it would be funny to make it know every time you want to use the mouse, you have to click. And when you're cutting wood or basically anything, especially even, okay, missing requirement, stone cutter. Okay. So I'm out of range of the stone cutter, which means if I want to fill that in, I'm going to have to go in there and delete my stone cutter, move it to the other side of the shop, or oh, look at how, like, oh, they let me do it. I wonder if that's my mod. That's got to be the mod. No self-respecting Swede would have let me do that. Now, this here, that's not, you see how there's many tens of dozens of flax flying up and magically disappearing into my sachet? That's not the mod. That's Valheim. No, normally you would be getting a quarter of a flax, the way that the Swedes programmed this thing. Now, we've just obtained flax, and that tells me it's time for the sewing machine. So here we go. Spinning wheel, ride your spinning wheel around. Pick a pony and take a ride. Load your flax till you wanna die. Pick a purple pony, let the spinning wheel spin. As I told you, how much fun Valheim is, adding flax. We only have 760 to go. Pick a purple pony, watch the spinning wheel die. Was it Chicago that had that? Chicago, that was like somebody gave a polka band asset or something. And it was like that Kerry Tath guy shot himself. Like, hey, look at me. Like, seriously, that's how he died. Like, the last thing Terry Tath said was, check this out. He put a gun to his head and pulled the trigger. He thought, I guess supposedly he was cleaning the gun, you know? I mean, there's rumors about that guy that maybe he was just goofy and he checked out. We'll never know. Poor Terry Kath, R.I.P. And the funny thing about it is, the guy was actually really a great musician. Jimi Hendrix said that Terry Kath was the better than him. So yeah, pick a purple pony, watch the spinning wheel ride. Let's see about some food. What's that? Yeah, I think, what time was it? 10:42, so this has been 20 minutes. And yeah, we're repaired. Everything is hunky-dory. So yeah, I gotta probably just delete this. That flax scene. Yeah. I'm gonna go in and
that song was What's Wet Chips.
Was it Chicago?
Well, the horn thing that you mentioned, that is Chicago.
Okay. But those are the same songs to me. Okay, I'm dry.
Hitching a ride.
Hitching a ride. Hitching a ride.
Vanity Fair.